gabi, Ascenso, Osamis. I am Alexandra Krishna Gubadahino, representing the majestic land of Albay.
Good evening, everyone. I am Megan Laris Valdivia, representing the City of Smiles, Bacolod City.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Felicia Aldana, proudly representing Bacoor City, Cavite.
Maayong gabi, I am Roxy Bayans from Baguio City.
Mabuhay! I'm Kathleen Mayo Casanias, representing Bohol. Mayang gabi, I'm Princess Ryla Hernandez, proudly representing Cabanatuan City and the Filipino Society of Alberta, Canada.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. I am Erica Jean Kadayday from Camiguin. Jensen Manansala Kanya, representing Cavite Province.
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Ako rin ay si April Smith from Cebu City.
Mayang gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Nicole Borromeo, representing Cebu Province.
Maayong gabi, Ascenso, Misamis Occidental. Ako di ay si Clarissa Marie Angelina Gambalan Westrom, gikan sa probinsya sa Cotabato. Good evening, everyone. My name is Tyra Jane Medina, representing Las Marinas City.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako ni ay si Trexie Paris Rojas, representing Iligan City.
Aloha kako, naimbang nga gabi, and maayong gabi. I'm Sharice Leanne Capayorn, representing Ilocos Norte and the Filipino Society of Hawaii.
Maayong gabi sa mga tanan. I am Zesta Shalud Capalan Espinosa, representing Iloilo City.
from the province of Laguna.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Abigail Cutsar, representing Las Piñas City and Filipino Society of Florida.
Mabuhay! Ako po si Bea Milian Mendorsky, proudly representing La Union. Daghang salamat po!
Maupay na gabi, maayong gabi. I am Carol Maylan Iba Tabaho, gikan sa probinsyahan Leyte.
Maayong gabi, Osamis City. Ako po si Scarlett Endemesa, representing Los Baños, Laguna.
My name is Ashley Subihana Montenegro from the humble municipality of Luciana, Laguna.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Justine Beatriz Calazarda, representing Manila.
Ascenso Misamis Occidental, I am Laila Yubilay Monteroyoto from the Mountain Province. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Adela Mae Marshall, representing Muntinlupa.
Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Alexandria Colmenares from Negros Occidental.
Maayong gabi ug daghang salamat sa pagdawat namo diri sa Osamis. I'm Maria Fatima Alsoya, gikan sa probinsya sa Negros Oriental.
Good afternoon, I am Michelle Tantoka Bachel, representing Nueva Ecija and the Filipino Society of the United Kingdom.
Maayong gabi. Ako si Jacqueline Jaya Elene, Miss Nueva Vizcaya and the Filipino Society of Washington State.
Mabuhay Misamis, Neil Silva, mula sa probinsya ng Occidental, Mindoro.
Maayong gabi. I am Aviona Elizabeth Das from Palau.
gabi. I am Alison Arceo Hetland, representing Pampanga.
Maayong gabi, I'm Donna Rain Nugid, representing Pangasinan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arya Pauline Galvez, representing Parañaque and the Filipino Society of Los Angeles.
Maayong gabi, I am Crystal Marcelino, representing Pateros.
Maayong gabi po sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat po for having us. This is Patricia Elo Evangelista, representing Quezon Province and the Filipino Society of Australia.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I'm Alicia Chelsea Pangilinan Buendia, representing Rizal and the Filipino Society of Southern California.
Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. This is Rose Ann Carino Albania, representing San Carlos City, Province of Pangasinan.
Maayong gabi, my name is Jacob Noel Mansaya, representing San Jose Negros Oriental and the Filipino Society of Bellevue, Washington.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rachel Hannah Villamay Magozum, representing Santo Tomas La Union and the Filipino Society of Seattle, Washington. May gabi kaninyong tinan. Ako is Nicole Cruz, representing Sarangani Province and the Filipino Society of West Asia. Padayon sa Taglambog, Misamis. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Rana Rose Patwal, representing Province of Southern Leyte.
Mayong gabi, I'm Jan Rose Javier from the province of Sultan Kudarat.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Juliana Hope Aquino and I'm representing the Alba Dampas and the Filipino Society of Northern California.
Maupay nga gabi, my name is Jacqueline Sampson Golrajani, Tacloban City.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Isabella Rojas Ismael, representing Taguig.
Marajao Naduyum, everyone. This is Crystal May Correos from Tandag City, Surigao del Sur.
Mabuhay po! Ako po si Marian de la Cruz Arellano mula sa probinsya ng Tarlac.
Good evening to each and everyone. I am Maria Janica Francen Aquino, City of Tuguegarao.